2-11. Nicole has a machine that will produce a number from 1 through 50 when she pushes a button. If she pushes the button, what is A? P stands for probability, so probability of multiple of 10. So we're being asked to find P stands for probability of a multiple of 10 in example A. So we want to recall the formula for probability of something, an event. Before that, we want to make sure what are we given so to work with. So we're given numbers from 1 through 50. So we have total of 50 numbers. So when we're looking for probability of an event is something that we're being asked. So usually we see those in the parentheses. So P stands for probability, and then you have the parentheses. So that's what we're looking for, is equal to the number of successful outcomes. So that will be the numerator. And then, so successful, like what's possible to be successful. And then the denominator is the total possible outcomes. So in this problem, we have possible of 50 numbers. So the numbers from 1 through 50, that's total of 50. So the probability is made out of a fraction. So for the first one, I'm going to say P stands for probability. We need to look for multiple of 10. But our total is 50 numbers. So I'm going to put 50 on the bottom. So the multiples of 10, we're going to list them. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I would stop with 50 because that is what is successful. So how many of these do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write that the numerator is 5 number of successful outcomes we could be drawing, but 50 is the total. And inside the parentheses, go ahead and copy. So we're looking for the multiple of 10. Now this fraction could be reduced. So if you could reduce it, go ahead and do so on your own. So pause the video and do so on your own. And also make sure you're writing things down. Okay, so to reduce, for example, the 550s, I'm dividing by 5. Whatever you do on the bottom, I do on the top. So we have 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 1 out of, and then 50 divided by 5 is 10. So my final answer for the probability is 1 out of 10. Now, go ahead and try a few on your own, and I'm going to probably do just 2 other ones. I'll give you hints in this video. So in example B, we're being asked for the probability of the numbers not being 100. But remember, we're given numbers from 1 all the way to 50. So how would you write the fraction? So try that one on your own. And again, the fraction is whatever you're going to put on the top that will be successful over the total. So the total is 50. So in problem C, it says not a multiple of 4. So one idea I have is you could write all the numbers first from 1 all the way to 50. Right now I started writing from 1 to 20, but go ahead and pause the video and write all of them, and then like maybe cross out the multiples of 4. For example, 4 is a multiple of 4, so I'm going to cross it out. 8 will be the next one, and so on. So you could do that. So the ones that we don't want, we're taking them away, and then count how many are multiples of 4. But again, continue. So that is just the idea for you to continue on your own. And then again, the 50 is the total possible, and you're going to count how many numbers are not multiples of 4. Okay, similarly, do letter D on your own. We're looking for how many are 1-digit numbers, and we have all the way from 1 to 50, but 1 digit means like a number 3 is 1 digit. It has only one number like that. So how many are they? Count them. And start of course from 1. So try everything else on your own.